Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This is my long coat with the slits and the side seams. I showed you how to make a pattern for this coat and how to cut it. This is how the coat looks like, and this is how the slits look like. I've already told you that I have a matching bag. Here it is. I think that my ring of Murano glass also looks pretty good with this outfit. It matches the coat, the bag, and even the shoes. I love the outfit. It took me pretty long to find a suitable scarf. I have different ones, but none of them looked good with this coat. I wanted a scarf to be multicolored. I made this one of piece of silk. The coat is very comfortable. It's a perfect garment for going for a walk. I'm not going to put it on for a nature trip. Of course, this coat shouldn't be worn in the bad weather. You may like this coat or not. I love it. I love the fact that it's not boring. You may think that there are too many details in it. Slits, plackets. I don't think so. I also like it that it's not single-colored. It's pretty bright. This coat looks just like I wanted it to. I showed you the coat, the bag, the shoes, and the scarf. I really wanted to make a long coat. I am absolutely happy now. It makes me even more happy to realize that I have matching bag, shoes, and accessories. Next, I want to show you some of my other coats and jackets. I live in the south of Russia, so it's not that cold here. I wear my warm coat just for a couple of weeks or a month in total. This is why I have more light coats and jackets than warm ones. Some people said that the coat I'm wearing now is too bright. Some people don't like the fabric, and some the slits or some other details. Guys, don't worry about me. I have some other clothes to wear. First, let's have a look at this jacket. I showed you the making of it. I remind you that this is a cashmere jacket with dolman sleeves. I showed you how to make it very thoroughly. Next, let's have a look at the light coat made of cotton and lace. This is a perfect coat for the spring and summer. It looks good with different outfits. Let's have a look at the next one. This is my favorite coat. I showed you how to make this coat without a pattern. I love it. It's of a very high quality, so I'm planning to wear it for a long time. Have a look at this one. It's very light. It's even more of a cardigan than a coat. I love it. I bought this coat in Max Mara boutique. It's very elegant and beautiful. As I've already told you in one of the videos, I'm still learning to love this coat. I think that the sleeves are too wide. Anyway, I wear it sometimes. It's very beautiful. I honestly prefer comfortable clothes. This coat is very comfortable. As I've already said, this is a perfect coat for going for a walk. I'm not going to work in it. Anyway, it will be pretty comfortable for me to wear it in public transport. Someone told me that the coat is too tight for me. It's not. It's actually pretty comfortable. You know that I don't button or fasten my outer clothes. I decided to show you my coats and jackets for you to see how different they all are. I also wanted to show them to those people who say that my new coat is too bright. I have some single-colored ones, don't worry. Guys, I want you to learn to use your imagination. Don't be afraid of experiments. Don't stick to one and the same designs. I know that there are some people who wear, for example, skirts of one and the same length. Use your imagination. Try making skirts a bit shorter, a bit longer. Make them flared. Add flounces. You can't guess if your garments would fit you or not. Don't be afraid of experiments. Have a look at the wrong side of the coat. The lining is absolutely perfect. I showed you how to edge the slits and the button stand. There are 2 layers of fabric in these details. Notice that the tailors of my fashion house inserted very beautiful binding in these seams. They also edged the center back seam with it. Such small details are very important. This is why I show them to you. I show you so many different designs and techniques because you, my dear subscribers, live all around the world. I know that some of you don't experience cold at all. You can make light coats using the techniques I show you. Watch how to make coats without patterns. This technique is very useful. You can make a lot of different garments on its basis. I also recommend you learning how to make garments with dolman sleeves. They are very beautiful. What I want you to understand is that you do not necessarily have to make absolutely the same garments as I show you. I just show you some interesting designs, techniques, and details. You can use them however you want. Use your imagination. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.